Are you drowning in digital distractions and wondering if Opal can actually save you, or if it's just another hyped-up app promising the moon? Today, we're diving deep into Opal, breaking down its features step by step to see if it truly delivers on its promises to boost your productivity. First, let's explore Opal's core function, focus sessions. Tap the plus icon to create a new session. Opal allows you to block specific apps and websites known for being time suckers. Select the ones that tempt you the most, like social media platforms or streaming services. Next, set the duration of your focus session. Start with shorter intervals, like 25 minutes, and gradually increase it as you get comfortable. Then, simply hit start to activate the focus mode. Opal also offers a deep focus mode. This is an enhanced version of the standard focus session, providing an even stricter environment to eliminate distractions. It's perfect for tasks requiring intense concentration. Opal doesn't just block distractions, it also tracks your usage patterns. Review the daily or weekly usage reports to pinpoint where you're spending the most time. This is crucial for understanding your digital habits. Opal does have a subscription-based model, so let's talk cost. Weigh the price against the potential benefits: increased productivity, reduced screen time, and improved focus. Ultimately, whether Opal is worth it depends on your individual needs and commitment to breaking digital habits. If you struggle with distractions and are willing to invest in a tool to help, Opal might be a game changer. But if you're expecting a magic bullet without putting in the effort, it might not be the right fit.